Hey everybody, this video is all about the NextWeave Chrome plugin. I'm going to take you through how you can use this plugin to share personalized media with your prospects through Gmail and LinkedIn. So let's jump right into it. First things first, we need to install this plugin. So I'm in the Chrome Web Store. Here you can simply search for NextWeave and then select the NextWeave plugin and add to Chrome. Now once this plugin is installed, you'll be able to see it next to your browser under your extensions, and you can click on it to activate it. When you do, you're going to be prompted to enter an API key. You can get this API key by logging into your NextWeave account and navigating to the integration section. Here just click on add key, name your key and click on add key again. So an API key is generated in seconds. All you need to do is copy this key, open the extension once again and paste it. Once your API key is verified, you'll receive a message saying you're logged in and your plugin is activated and ready to be used. But before you can dive into using this plugin on LinkedIn and Gmail, it's important for you to identify the templates you want to share with your audience and create campaigns around them. Our documentation and video resources will guide you through creating engaging video and image templates and creating campaigns to share these templates through the Chrome plugin. I've created these templates and the campaign for reference for this video. Now let's proceed to Gmail to see how we can use the plugin there. I'm in my Gmail account and I have my Composer open. I've typed out the message that I'd like to share with my prospect. Now once your extension is installed and activated, you'll be able to see a NextWeave icon right next to the send button within the Composer. You can click on this icon to invoke the plugin and select the campaign that you'd like to send to your prospects. This is why it's important for us to first identify the templates and create a campaign and then launch the NextWeave plugin. Next to the campaign you'd like to invoke, click on Use. The personalization variables that have been used in the templates will appear here. You can populate these. So I've just filled out a name and a company website. This could be replaced with any name and website depending on the prospect I'm sending this email to. Once done, click on Generate Experience. In this example, we're actually going to be embedding an image in our email that hyperlinks to a landing page that contains a personalized video. So to embed this image, all you need to do is click on Insert Experience. As you can see, the image template that we picked in our campaign is automatically embedded into our email and is hyperlinked to our video landing page. So I'll give you a quick preview of what the video landing page looks like. This video is personalized for the name and the domain name that we entered, as is the image. Once done, all you need to do is click on Send and your personalized email will be on its way to your prospect. Now let's move on to LinkedIn and see how we can use the Chrome plugin there. As you can see, I'm in my prospect's LinkedIn profile. One thing to note here is that we can only send personalized images to first connections on LinkedIn. If you send a message to a second or third connection, LinkedIn doesn't show the link preview. Your prospects will still be able to receive the image and the video links you share with them, but they won't be able to view any previews. So my prospect, as you can see, is my first connection. Now when your extension or plugin is active, you'll be able to see this NextWeave icon inside any First Connections profile alongside the message option. You can click on the NextWeave button here. Exactly similar to how it was when we used the plugin in Gmail, you'll be prompted to select a campaign which contains the templates you'd like to share. Against the campaign you want to invoke, click on Use. The variables that are used in the campaign will again appear here. In the case of LinkedIn, certain profile information is also scraped here. So if any of these are going to be used in your variables, you can simply copy the information and paste it. Since domain is not captured here, we will have to manually input that. Once you've completed these variables, click on Generate Experience. Now, in order to share your template with your prospect, all you need to do is click on Copy Link and Close Window. Automatically, the message composer to your prospect opens up, where you can paste this link and hit Send. As you can see, a video link is shared with your prospect along with a preview that's personalized just for them. Our knowledge base will guide you on how you can create amazing social previews such as this that will encourage your viewers to click on this link and watch your video. So go ahead and get creative with NextFeed, make amazing videos and images, and use the Chrome extension to send them to your prospects through Gmail and LinkedIn in just a few clicks.